How to cancel subscription on Tantan. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel Tantan subscription. For you to want to cancel your subscription on Tantan, it means that you're using the pro version of Tantan already. So how do you cancel this subscription? The first thing to do is to go to your profile by clicking on the me icon located by the lower right corner of the screen. So once you click on it, on this page, you'll see a list of things such as your name, your Tantan ID, see who likes me, who likes me, I like, and then subscription. Then you click on subscription. Once you click on subscription, currently I have not subscribed to any package. That is why mine is like this. But if you have subscribed to any of these packages, by the right side of the screen, you will see the option cancel subscription. Okay, cancel subscription. And once you see that, all you need to do is to click on it. Then you'll be asked why you want to cancel. You select whichever reason, and then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So canceling subscription on Tantan is not difficult at all. Just click on subscription, like I said, and then you would see cancel subscription. Then your subscription will be cancelled. And then if you have any questions whatsoever, you can just scroll down on the web page until you see help and management. Help and management. So just click on help and management, and then you would ask your questions, and your questions would be answered. So this is how to cancel subscriptions on Tantan, or to cancel your Tantan subscription. Thanks for watching.